is this: how often do we really need to rotate our tires? And do we have to get them balanced and aligned each time we do? What's the best procedure for extending the life of your tires through balancing and rotating?
Hi Blair, on your question about alignment, rotation, and balancing of your wheels. The alignment should be done as soon as you put the new tires, or if you have curved the vehicle, definitely you want to get the alignment checked. When rotating the tires, it's a good practice to do it every 10,000 miles. Most tires today are rated for 40 to 50,000 miles, just depending on the brand. But definitely every 10,000 miles you should rotate your tires just so it has even wear. Especially if your car has a sport suspension, you might want to be doing that almost every 5,000 miles, just because it can start eating the outside walls and you can have camber issues if it's not done properly. Balancing, you should do it as well whenever you're doing the tire rotation every 10,000 miles, just because that's going to lower the chance of any vibrations or anything going on whenever you're accelerating or decelerating, and you'll be able to feel that vibration on the road. But definitely balance your wheels balance and rotate your wheels every 10,000 miles, and do alignment as soon as you apply new tires, or you have done any changes to your suspension, as inner toe, or pretty much anything that has. If you have curved the vehicle, just make sure to get that alignment checked. But every 10,000 miles should be a good practice for balance and rotation.
For more auto tips, just ask Ray, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Facebook.